Hang on a minute, Roy. You wearing glasses?
Yep. Nice chrome ones.
Good afternoon, lights up, lights down followers. Welcome along to another MX5 Restorer weekly update. It's Wednesday, it's cold, it's wet, and it's another what's going on. So outside, and because it's the run up to Christmas, we start booking it a bit light to try and get everything done before Christmas. So this weekend just was the first weekend that not much came in. It's quite nice when it's a bit quieter. So all there is in the car park, apart from Gareth's Supra, Jim's Supra, and other stuff, is the black one which we got a running issue with. It's raining at the moment, so I don't really want to get there. It started to rain actually. I better go in. I've done a few other bits than that. I've ordered another ECU for it to try and locate this intermittent problem, so I'm hoping that causes it. I'm just hoping there's no water that's just literally started pouring down with rain as I did that video. So okay, so let's go and see what the guys are doing in the workshop. Was that you singing, Ash?
Yep.
Oh, I'm in the workshop now, Jim. Hey? Yeah, okay. We always start with Roy.
Afternoon.
Hang on a minute, Roy. You wearing glasses?
Yep. Nice chrome ones.
Are they chrome surrounds you've got there?
Oh, you are indeed. Very fashionable. Very fashionable.
So Roy is actually putting Project Monaco back together, which I am going to, that's all I'm going to say on that at the moment, because I'm going to start literally after this video. I'm going to do a video on that one. So let's see what Roy's been doing on his ramp.
Lots of things.
So this one's been featured, I think, in the past 3 or 4. What's going on?
It has indeed.
Hasn't come off your ramp really, is it?
No, I need to put my car in it, that was it.
Yeah.
So, it's nice to say that all the welding is now done.
Yay.
So, previous video you obviously saw the other side completely cut open.
Do you know what? I think it's colder in this corner than it is in the workshop.
Mate, I've been freezing for the last day and a half.
So, yesterday our heater packed up. It's a new heater, we had it installed 2 years ago, but I think the motherboard or control board has gone wrong. And coincidentally, yesterday, as a favour to a friend of ours who works in a paint shop, I sold him our old blower heater and gas bottle on the same day that our heater packed up. So that was good timing. You couldn't put those two together.
Yeah, so yeah, last time I think it was just one big gaping hole.
Yes, there was.
Down here. So now we have
You got full seals.
new sill, front to back, new storage sill panel.
Oh,
So from
okay.
there forward, rebuilt. The front jacking point was actually okay on this one, just cleaned up. So all this area here was all good.
Yeah.
That cleaned up. We had to obviously weld it up from the inside, but that's all done. And then coming back, this is all now rebuilt.
You'd never know.
You'd never know. So new cylinder plate, and the last of the welding was done yesterday.
So this will be,
With the outer panel.
I suppose this is ready to sort of go to paint soon, isn't it?
It is indeed. Yeah. I'm just waiting for a phone call and a couple of bits and pieces, and then we'll go from there.
Another one for Irma.
Yes, another one. I had some fun and joy just the afternoon fitting, or trying to fit, the front bumper. So,
what went there? I wasn't around yesterday afternoon, so.
The racing beat front bumper. We're still waiting for a wing to turn up on this side.
Yeah.
But this will be painted up, ready for stone chipping and painting.
I think this bumper might have looked good on mine.
Yeah, it's a nice looking bumper.
I would have had to have destroyed it though to put the vent in the top, but I think it's wider here, isn't it? That's what my car's missing, is something wider at the bottom, which I'm gonna have to do something on that.
Yeah. So yeah, there's not really much to see in there apart from the fact that.
Did you have to pull the wing out a bit?
No, it doesn't have to.
Oh, was it? It fitted up to us.
Yeah, it will actually fit. It's actually bolted on the top, but yeah, that will actually. It does actually. I've actually bolted it all up here and here, and it fits perfectly.
See, the line that comes down here, it's more flat, whereas it comes in, doesn't it, on the standard bumper? It gives it that extra width.
It does indeed. It's a nice bumper. I'd like it for mine, but I don't like smashing the bits. So. Yeah. So, new wing on this side, waiting for another one to turn up the other side. And then wheels back on and off to paint.
Cool. That'd be good, isn't it?
Yeah.
I'm wondering whether or not it'll be, I don't think it'll be back to go out before Christmas.
I doubt it very much.
There was a lot more work done on it, wasn't it, that it initially came in for, so...
Yeah, originally it wasn't going to have a full seal.
If the full seal wasn't done, it probably would have been done before weekend just gone, which meant it probably would have gone to paint, which then meant we probably would have got it back towards the end of this week to go out, but I think now it'll be something done over Christmas. Yeah.
But the customer's in no rush for it, so he wants it done right. So,
yeah.
Hence why he brought it to us.
Cool. Alright.
Right, we'll crack on some rebuilding.
Alright, crack on with Project Monaco. This can only go on for so long, Ash.
You reckon?
Yes. Stop. Oh yeah, but I've got a bad back, haven't I?
Yeah, because you went go-karting the other day.
No.
Because you're old and it takes you a week to recover.
My back still hurts where Ashlee ran me over.
Didn't run you over. If I ran you over, you wouldn't be making any noise.
So, what are you doing?
Leaning on this. Shivering a little.
You know, everyone at home is just saying, Ashlee, just talk. This is getting old now.
I don't think they are saying that.
They are. Believe me. I tell you what. So, can people comment in the comments below on this video how predictable the intro is with Ashlee and me when we meet up?
People like repetition.
Repetition. You done chassis rails?
Yep.
How did that go?
That went alright.
Oh my god, it went alright. So Ashlee's cut new section in there. What else are you doing on this car as well?
I've done this an arch now.
Shall I just let everyone know what you've been doing?
You're talking over me.
I'm talking over you, but you're not talking. So how did the arch repair go on this?
Yeah, it was alright. It needed a small repair to the end of the sill and part of the arch that needed replacing, but other than that, it was a pretty easy one.
You got this bashed out a bit quicker.
Yeah, because it didn't need loads of welding on the inside.
You're done. Is it done?
No.
What you got?
Cam belt, water pump, cam seals, crank seal, thermostat.
Doing crank seal? Just front?
Just front.
Fair enough. You cold?
Yes. Someone sold the heater, didn't they?
No, the heater's up there.
Yeah, but
There he is, it's up there.
How much heat that's blowing out? Oh wait, none.
The fan option on it works. It can blow cold air.
That's exactly what we need. More cold air, more air circulating.
Well, yeah. Who's that out there? Who's? That's right. I think that's Planet. Sorry. Sorry everyone at home. I just saw a load of people walking past the windows, which no one really normally walks past, but I don't know. Okay, Ash, so you done?
Well, yeah, You sort of got distracted, didn't you?
It's not. That's not.
That's not unusual, is it?
Well, I just saw shadows out the corner of my eye, where there shouldn't be shadows. Okay.
Bye, Chris.
See you, Ash. Let's go and see Jim, Bob. Jim's got his arm in deep.
Yeah, elbow deep.
What are you fiddling with in there?
There's a extension bracket on the dipstick so that it can point further away from the supercharger.
Yes.
This is back.
So this is the... So Jim is actually working on the one that we've got in with the BGY on it. Oh yeah, why did I say BGY? Yeah, BGW. Oh, I don't know. So you haven't really got much to say on this because Jim has literally just bought it in. So I think what you're going to be doing chassis rails, aren't you?
Looks like it, yeah.
They're not. I don't think they're too bad.
Already removed the ABS sensor for me. That's nice, isn't it?
No, that was me because I had the engine out, so I just left it all loose. No point doing it. You'll find them unplugged as well. Look, there we go. There you go.
You could have done the chassis rails while you had the engine out, Chris.
Oh, that would have been a good time to do it, but time-wise, didn't go. Okay, who's that just come in the workshop? It's me. It's me. So that's Jim. I'm currently working on it's quite a nice MX5. This belongs to a good friend of ours, customer. A very, very nice MX5 with some nice seats. Mazda speed. I'm just in the middle of taking it apart actually. Got a very nice interior in it, this MX5. Some nice bits. Anyone with a keen eye will spot them. One bit on this car I am envious of, which one day I will own, is this. Makes such a difference to the drive and looks. Very expensive, but very nice. So I am just about to take the seats out, take the carpets out, and fit some P5 floor rails, which we have here. Can't get these anymore. I've got a set on my car, but they were the sort of frame rails go-to at one time a few years ago that there was no other solution to, and they were the preferred ones to have. So gonna fit them now. I've also taken off his AC compressor and redone the supercharger belt. What else am I doing? And a little bit of undersealing. Not doing the whole car because the rear subframes, arms have all been done, so I'm just going to go over and do the bits that I think need doing. It's very clean anyway, so there's going to be no undersealing going in the arches because it is a very clean car. It's got a nice bonnet on it as well. It's a garage fairy bonnet, this one, isn't it, Ash?
I think.
It's an original one. Vent there, and if you look at the back, vent there. Nice piece of kit. I'm not sure how much they are to buy new, but I imagine that it would probably be, what do you reckon for one of them? Over £1,000 now probably, wouldn't it?
I reckon probably about £1 million.
Ashlee always becomes very talkative when you start chatting to him about MX5. £1 million?
Yeah, I reckon that's about right. Give or take a couple of 100,000.
Yeah. What bumper's that?
It might also be a very, I think, I can't remember. JDM, that's what that is.
Your ring seal was creased.
I'm still doing a video, Jim.
Now's not the
So-
time to talk about ring seal.
No. So what Jim's brought over is on the BGW,
Wow.
on the BGW car, we had all the engine out and everything, but obviously the dipstick goes in a different location, and it was okay, but then it started dripping oil out, and I think either it's got pinched, isn't it? And well, that's good.
Pinched your ring seal.
Well,
Space replaced.
well, we changed every oil seal on the car, but there was still more work to do on the car, but there was oil coming out, so I had a feeling that it was coming from that location, and I think Jim's just confirmed that that is the case. All right.
You won.
It's nice and fiddly and easy to get to, isn't it? Okay. Right then, that's it. So thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one. It's getting the run up to Christmas now, so we'll get a few more videos out. So some more videos are coming out over the Christmas period, and we'll see you then. Bye bye.